I think in terms of our future, I think what we are looking at it is between about a five to 10 year structure, and I think what we look at it as, at our ability is to advocate, is to be able to be in communication with people outside of our organization, and to allow other people to interact with us, and then be able to interact with other people who have that issue with hunger, and be the central point. And so we're looking at it from a technology standpoint. Do we have the tools to be able to do that? And that's why we look at it at a contact list, or we look at it at a Facebook or Twitter, is to constantly evaluate these tools. And that's what we're going to have to look at is when we look at Facebook, or when we look at Twitter, or when we look at our database, or when we look at this, the reports that we generate and we put on the web page, or we distribute. Are we doing a good job of communicating with the general public, with the partners, with the members? And do we have the proper technology that allows us to be able to do that the most effective and efficient way? We're an office of 7. We don't have 7 people for technology, 7 people for marketing, 7 people for accounting. We have 7 people that has to do the job of communicating the issue of hunger, and offering the opportunities for the clients to know what the products are out there, what the services are that are out there, so that our mission, which is to end hunger, is fully utilized. Do we have all the tools that are available to the clients, to the people who want to be involved in the issue? Are those things available? And so when we look at technology, we'll be looking at the website. How can we maybe expand the website so that we can have more discussions, so people can do maybe even web seminars, can do blogging, more blogging on our website, so that people can see that we become a central source for where the issue of hunger can be discussed on a statewide basis.